Hello students, in my last video we have revised till question number 4, find the place value of the given digit, and now today in this video we will do revision on do these sums, and here see subtraction also. So there is nothing how we are adding the small numbers, less digit numbers, like that way only we will add these digits also. Like in these numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 digit, this is the 6 digit numbers, this is the largest numbers which we have to add. So similarly how we are adding smaller number, like that way only we will add these two numbers. As if we add 7 plus 4, so it is 11, 1 we will carry. 5 plus 8, 13, 1, 14, again 1 carry. 6 plus 1, 7, 8 plus 3, 11, carry 1, 9 plus 1, 10, 0, 1, 7 plus 1, 8 plus 1, 9. So see students, this is very simple addition. Now see this B1 you will do by yourself. Okay, you add the note these numbers and try to do by yourself. Very easy addition it is. And like this way subtraction also, how you will do, this is the carrying subtraction, how you are subtracting the small numbers, like that way, but the difference is this is the large number. There are 6 digits, so according to their place values we will subtract it, like 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 digit means ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Okay, so we cannot subtract 9 from 6, so we will borrow from 4, but it is also downside also 4, so we will move towards 2. Now again 7 is more than 2, so we will go to 9. Now here 8 is less than 9, so we will borrow from 9. Now it comes 8, and 9 gives 1 to 2. Now it comes 12. Now again he have to give to 3, so it becomes 11, and this 3 becomes 13, and this 13 also have to give to 4, so this is 14, and this will be 12. So this 14 again have to give to 6, so it will becomes 13, and this become 16. Now we can subtract 9 from 16, we will get 7. Okay, now from 13 if we subtract 4, we will get 9. Now if we subtract 3 from 12, 9. If we subtract 7 from 11, 4. Now from 8 if we subtract 8, 0, and 5 minus 2, 3. So like this way you have to subtract. Here also you have to borrow from the number, like here also you will borrow from, not from this, not from this, you will borrow directly from 7, so it comes 6, it comes 10, then 9, 11, it again become 10, 11, 10, then 13. You know subtraction, that's why I am doing like this way, but try to understand it properly. Now from 13 if you subtract 5, you will get 8. From 9 you will subtract 7, 2, 11, 3, 9, 10 minus 7, 3, 9 minus 6, 3, 6 minus 2, 4. Sorry, this is 8. 11 minus 3, 8. So like this way, this is the large number subtraction. By borrowing and carrying the numbers, you can subtract and get the answer. Now see the down question E1 and F1. Now these numbers are given, so how you will do it? First you will arrange these numbers according to their place value, and then you will add it. Like you will first search which number is having the more digits, whose place value is more. Like this is 5-digit number, this is also 5-digit number, this is 6-digit number, and this is also 5-digit number. So you have to arrange this number first. So according to their places, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, you will arrange the digits 6-digit number. Then other 3 digits are of 5 digits. So you will write after 6 digit these 3 numbers. So here what it is asking, the symbol is plus. So all these 4 numbers you have to add. This is the last digit numbers you have to add. So how you will do? This number you have to add with this to this to this. It means these all 4 you have to add. So 6 plus 6 plus 1, 6, 6, 12 plus 1, 13, 3, 1 you will carry. Then 8, 9, 17, 1, 18 and 1 carry, 19, 9, 1, 4, 4, 8, 1, 9, 5, 14, 4, then again 1 carry, 8, 1, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, 14, 19, 9, 1, 3, 1, 4, 4, 8, 3, 11, 2, 13, 13, 3, then 1 again you will carry, 6, 1, 7. So first, if in this form the numbers are given, so first according to their place value the number of digits you will arrange, then you will add them together. Now in F1 there again 4 numbers are given, but see the symbols. 2 symbols are minus and plus. 2, 3, 3, 4, 5 minus 5, 3, 4, 4, 2 plus 5, 6, 7, 3, 8, 9 minus 1, 3, 4, 2, 8, 1. So here what we will do? Here we will first add the minus symbol numbers. See, this is the minus symbol number 5, 3, 4, 4, 2, and again this is the minus symbol number 1, 3, 4, 2, 8, 1. What we will do this? We will add this minus symbol numbers together. So according to their place value I have placed this numbers. So 1, 3, 4, 2, 8, 1 it is 6-digit number, and this is 5-digit number. When I have added it, I have got 1,87,723. So this is the sum of these two minus symbol numbers. Now again what we will do? Whatever the numbers left, see this one and this one plus symbol. So we will add these two numbers together. So here again according to their place value I have added, and I have got 590,734. Now after adding this, now you can see this addition, this number is greater than this. So what we will have to do here? From the greater number we will subtract the smaller number. So here according to their place value we will place it, and from the greater number we will subtract the smaller number, and finally we will get the answer, which is 4030.